We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing coffee names too, some of the most mispronounced ones, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? Mocha Frappé. Mocha Frappé. I'm just kidding. Of course it's not like this. Mocha, yes, because the first word is from Italian, and Italian CH sounds like a K. Mocha Frappé. Now this is, the second word is a French word. Frappé, from French frappé. Mocha Frappé. Mocha Frappé. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names of coffee preparations whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't anymore after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching.